Now here's something you don't see every day. There was a helicopter just hovering around in Memramcook. In all these years of living here, I've never seen this. Now I do see quite a bit of smoke down there, so I wonder if there's some sort of a forest fire that they're monitoring. Still got no clue. Oh, looks like it's taken off. There it goes. So yeah, it's been chilling there for about a good half hour. It's too bad I didn't get the camera out earlier, because CN 507 just came through at the same time as that was going on. But yeah, definitely weird. We've got an approach signal here for the westbound via 15, the ocean. Should be coming through in about, I don't know, hour and a half. Helicopter's still around, just circling the valley. We'll see if it lands again. But yeah, might go find a spot to watch the via. So the signal just turned green. I just checked the mobile app. It's about 20 minutes out of Amherst. It's actually 2 minutes ahead of schedule, which is pretty rare these days. But usually from Halifax to Moncton, she's on time. It's more in northern New Brunswick, northern Quebec, where she's experiencing delays. Yeah, let's go find a spot.